Aloha mai. This presentation is hopefully going to give you a better understanding of marine preservation. More specifically, we will be addressing marine pollution and debris. When we talk about marine preservation, it's always important to remember that prevention is better than a cure. Millions of pounds of plastic pollution wash ashore Hawaii beaches each year. The Knowledge is Safety campaign is aimed at reducing the environmental and public health impacts. Where does pollution come from? The majority of pollutants that make their way into the ocean come from human activities along the coastlines and far inland. One of the biggest sources of pollution is non-point source pollution, which occurs as a result of runoff. Non-point source pollution can come from many sources like septic tanks, vehicles, farms, livestock ranches, and timber harvest areas. Pollution that comes from a single source, like an oil or chemical spill, is known as point source pollution. Point source pollution events often have large impacts, but fortunately they occur less often. Discharge from faulty or damaged factories or water treatment systems is also considered point source pollution. Ma o ke kaipili ai kākou. This Hawaiian proverb means the ocean connects us all. Plastic from ocean garbage patch plagues Island Sanctuary Beach on Midway Atoll in the northwestern Hawaiian Islands. This is a picture of plastic washed up on the east beach of Henderson Island in the remote South Pacific. The Hawaiian Islands act like a comb that gathers debris as it floats across the Pacific Ocean. In 2021, the Hawaiian Islands garbage patch is accumulating debris at a faster rate than ever before. Papahanaumokuakea is the largest marine conservation area and was inscribed in 2010 as a UNESCO Mixed World Heritage Site. It is both biologically rich and a culturally sacred place. The Hawaiians call it a place of abundance, or Aina Momona. Circulating ocean currents now bring an abundance of plastic and other trash from all around the Pacific Rim to Hawaii's beaches. About 70,000 pounds of marine debris washes ashore annually. PPE, or personal protective equipment, can be mistaken as food by birds, turtles, and marine mammals and could put them at risk. These PPE-used items could also be carrying germs, viruses, and pathogens, and may be contributing to the spread of COVID-19. The debris ranges from tiny microplastics that nearly every animal in this marine ecosystem ingests to huge fishing nets that gather plants, animals, and other debris while bulldozing across fragile coral reefs in the Hawaiian Islands. The endangered Hawaiian monk seals and green sea turtles can die while entangled in plastic nets. Microplastics can travel up the food chain when sharks and other apex predators eat smaller fish. Whales drag fishing line and buoys behind them during their long migrations across the world's oceans. The following are some excellent infographics about water pollution.